Good evening. I'm Catherine from Mystic Soul Reflexology Art Studio and Gallery, and the purpose of this video is just to introduce my skincare line. It's an organic skincare line with intense moisture. It's for all skin types, and it also helps eczema, psoriasis, problem skin. It is non-comedogenic. There are 6 products in this line. And I'm just going to show you how to use the 3 that I use at nighttime, but you can also use these products any way you like. This is the way that I use them. I also can purchase this travel case with them. This comes in different colors and it zips up. And it also has a selenite rod, which I'm going to show you how to use with this video also. So here are the 6 products. It comes in this bag, or you can purchase them individually. And altogether, they're, roughly with this whole set might be 160 or maybe less. They're very affordable, but they're very luxuriant and excellent ingredients, organic, 85 to 100% organic. Sometimes there are some items that I can't find the organic ones, so that's why I say 85 to 100% organic. So this case, or you can also purchase them the whole set with this travel bag, which is roomy. You can fit other things, brushes, combs, or whatever shaving stuff. But the 6 products are in here with the selenite rod. This comes in red, black, or gray, and the other one comes in 5 different colors. The zipper part of it is, the top of it has different colors. And so right now I'm just going to show you my evening routine and 3 of the products and how I use it with the selenite rod. This rod, actually, if you've ever had anyone do energy work on you, I use this rod when I work on people's feet. I do reflexology, and I use this to clear discordant energy. I also send my energy through the rod and up through the person while I'm working with it. It's a special treatment that I do, an extra treatment. The regular reflexology session is not using this. This would be an extra treatment. So I also have been using this. I used to be a cosmetologist. I did facials, and I have been using this on myself for some time now on my face. And that's what I'm going to show you tonight, how to use the nighttime products and along with this selenite rod. First, I would, if I have makeup on, which I only wear mascara, so I just use coconut oil and I put it on my fingertips and I rub my eyes with it, and then I splash warm water on my face and use a warm washcloth and just wipe my face down. I don't wear any other makeup, so I just wipe my face down with a warm washcloth after I've removed my mascara. Then I use this product. This is the scrub exfoliate. It's called Exfoliate, and it comes in a leak-proof jar. It's 2 ounces, and all of my products are in glass jars. And so this product, to stir it, comes with a spatula, so you would stir it. All of the products come with spatulas, so you do not put your fingers in the jar. That contaminates the products. Just use the spatula to stir, scoop out what you need, and then you would put it across your forehead, your nose, and across your cheeks and chin and down your neck. And then I take up, just moisten my hands with warm water, and then I just scrub it in all over my face in circles, small circles, and it's got mild abrasive in it, very mild, gentle abrasive. So you just rub gently and go around. And I found this is the area where I get dead skin cells. This removes the dead skin cells. It also moisturizes the skin at the same time. And you'll get, when you use this product, using the serum and the toner, everything, it rejuvenates the skin, so your skin recycles and the dead skin cells just shed, and so they start to appear maybe as little red patches. This exfoliate gets rid of that. So I would just scrub that around my nose. That's where I see it, around my nose usually. And then I rub my forehead, scrub it everywhere, my neck. And after I've scrubbed it up and I have moist, warm water on my hands, I just splash that warm water on my face and splash it till I feel like it's gone. And then I take my warm washcloth and wipe my face and see that it's gone. And then I dry with a towel, and my skin, it leaves my skin very soft because it also has a moisturizer in it. And this is good also for problem skin, for pimply skin. The exfoliate's good dry your skin out. Has doesn't have alcohol or fat, and it's non-comedogenic. All the products are non-comedogenic. So after I exfoliate, and this is my nighttime routine, but of course you can use it during the day. You can use the products any way you like. This is how I use them. I use the serum, and the serum is in a glass 1 ounce bottle with a glass dropper. All my products are in glass, and then I would take this and just use a very small amount, about 1/3 of a dropper full, and I put that in the palm of my hand and take my 2 fingers, and you must shake that also. The serum and the toner need to be shaken before you use it. And then I take this and I just go right down the center of my face and more, and I go right around my eye with that, the bony part of my eye, not over my eyeball, just the bony part of my eye on both sides, and then around my mouth and over my lips. This plumps your lips, and the serum is filled with vitamins for you to nourish your skin and fats, good healthy fats for your skin. So over the mouth, and then I rub it and put it up my neck and on my hands. I always do my hands. This will get rid of, it'll fade any age spots you might have, freckles or scars or anything, the circles under your eyes. It will clear all that up. I've been using it for a year now. I don't wear any type of foundation, and this one is all organic. And then I just to make sure it's rubbed in good. I just rub it in good all through my face, neck, my hands, and then I use the Selenite rod. So the rod, again, it's good for energy healing. So it clears discordant energy. And so what it does during the course of the day, this is our energetic body that just expands out all around us in different layers. Each layer connects with one of the chakras. But our energy body out here can pick up stuff. We shed thoughts and emotions can be out here, and they just linger out here. And if you tend to have if you get angry a lot, that energy just sits out here, and it can slowly work its way into your body. So it's a good idea to just clean this energy out around you. And also just emotional energy from other people can come into your sphere. And so you're just cleaning this out. Some people get attachments, some people get the energy from other people. So we just go right around the whole body like this very slowly. And I do this at night to clear myself, to help myself sleep. This is kind of my nighttime routine. Clearing energy. And I go right down around my body, all around my body. And I do my chakras. And I have noticed also you can do this in the daytime, in the morning before you go to work. And if you've had a hard time, if you've been stuck in any way, kind of not getting things done that you need to get done, you have a list and you just can't get going, doing this helps clear your chakras, just debris that builds up, just helps clear it. So this is the crown chakra. All your thoughts are all around you, so just clearing this energy here and clearing the third eye chakra. So I'm just going in a slow circle all around, and I expand it and get bigger and just clear it away. And then the throat, and I'm going clockwise. I want to go clockwise as if there was a clock on my body. As if it went 12, 1, 2, 3 on my body, like you're looking at a clock on the wall. I'm just going clockwise. Going counterclockwise pulls energy out of your chakra. If you have your chakras regulate themselves automatically, and what chakras are metaphysical organs that digest and process energy from the environment for our spirit body, energetic body, for our matter body, our physical body. The lower chakras are for the physical body, the higher chakras are our spirit body, our energetic body. So they pull in energy from our environment. Light energy, light frequency energy, orgone energy that floats around, pulls in energy just to feed our body, and that just processes this energy. So we want to make sure that they're functioning, that they are pulling in what we need for our body. body. So clearing them like this helps. And doing the heart chakra, this helps us to express ourselves, our throat chakra. We want to be able to use clarity when we express ourselves, and just having them in balance, to think before we speak, to have all of our chakras working. So just cleaning out, going right down the solar plexus, right over the navel, and the stomach, right over the stomach, and right over the belly, the soul chakra. And then you're going to be going slow doing this. I'm doing it a little quicker. And then the root chakra is right over the pubic bone, clearing that, clearing the root chakra. And so now that I have just cleansed myself with this, now I want to do my face. And so what it's going to do for my face, I'm going to work my muscles on my face to relax them, because we hold this tension in our face, in our body, in our muscles. So this helps remove that tension. It removes energy, discordant energy. Tension is discordant energy, and it can sit in our muscles, pulling them together, making them tight. So we're moving the discordant energy out. And so I'm going to start actually right here on my forehead. And this is a very smooth, shiny side of this rod. And I'm going to use it right down my forehead in little circles like this. And right here is where we hold a lot of tension. People have those lines right here, and they can be like a cord right here, or just really tense. And so this is a good place to work, to relax it. You can feel that muscle right here, right here. Just relaxing this area. And I'm going to go right down my face. And then I'm doing my eyes. And so around the eyes, I pulse right here. Pulse, pulse, pulse. Just pushing 3 times slowly. 3 times right on this muscle, very gently. And then I come around 3 times right here. And then down around my eye, 3 times. 2, 3, down. 2, 3. And now at this point, you're lying down on your sofa, your bed. You're lying down now to relax. It's an unwinding at the end of the day. So all around the eye. And then we'll do the other eye also. And then we're going to do the mouth. Right here is a muscle that goes all the way around your mouth. The orbicularis oris goes right around your mouth. And this, and we can hold tension right in our mouth. You see, sometimes people's lips are pursed. So we want to relax our mouth. So we're just slowly going around here and these wrinkles here, just working them, relaxing that muscle all around, relaxing it all around the mouth. And then this is a very soft rod. And we just take it the side of it and we go up around. This gets rid of fluid under the skin, lymph and fluid build up under the skin. Just doing that. Right up. And the forehead, and I feel so relaxed right now, very relaxed. Gently across my forehead. And now the chin, the jaw. Lots of tension in the jaw. Some people grind their teeth at night, and we can get a lot of tension in here. So what we do is go right underneath that bone, all the way up into the side, and pulse 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Back down, under the jaw. Pulse 1, 2, 3. Under. Very relaxing. Even though you're doing it yourself. This is self-love, taking care of our body, connecting with our body, and then we start to recognize when we're holding tension in our face or anywhere else in our body. Connecting with the body is like the root chakra. Deals with the matter body, with how our body feels inside. And when we connect with the body, then we're more aware of when the systems aren't working right. There we go. Now I feel very relaxed. All this has gone out of my system, any tension. So now I use another product, the third product. This is the body serum. And as I said, this is good for people with psoriasis, with eczema. It's an intense moisture, it's concentrated, and you just use a very small amount. And then I do a self-massage on my body. I do my legs usually all the time, and sometimes occasionally my arms. My neck has enough serum on it. It's good. So I usually just focus on my legs and my arms if I need it. The jar is a 4-ounce glass jar with a seal, and sometimes it comes with a gold cover, sometimes a black cover, depending on how the availability. And then I just use about that much. It's just a little bit on the tip of this because it is concentrated and it's very thick, and I made it thick so that you have to massage it into your skin. It gets rid of cellulite and dry skin, and it's very good to massage your skin to get the blood flowing, to feed all the layers of the skin, and for good circulation and relaxing all your muscles. So you're going to use probably 8 of these, probably to get all of your front legs and back legs. 8 little spoonfuls like this, so it does last quite a long time. And then we massage it in with deep strokes, rubbing, massaging your upper thigh and your lower legs, and just laying down and relaxing before you go to bed at night. It's a very good routine. You will sleep very well, and your skin will be very healthy and cleared up of any dry, pimply skin. And if you're a skier or someone who is out in the elements, everything is non-comedogenic. You can also use this on your face, but we have a good face therapy one that you can use. The SPF in this product is about 25%, I would say, more maybe, because I never got a tan this summer. I was out in the sun kayaking, out at the ocean. I was hours in the sun, and I never got red. I never got much of a tan this summer, hardly a hint of it. And so I'd say the SPF, it's naturally occurring in this product, and it's in the face therapy, the serum, all of them have the SPF, and it's naturally occurring. So I feel very good about saying you'd be all set with this in the summertime to protect your skin, and it's organic. So those are the 3 products. There tonight that we used was the scrub and the serum in the 1-ounce bottle and the 4-ounce body therapy. In the next video, I will show you how to use, we also use the selenite rod for the evening routine. And the next video will be the morning routine with the other 3 products. Thanks again. You should be finding this video on www.mysticsoul.org, my website. You can order the products through my website or stop into my location and buy products. Also, the next video will be the morning routine with the other 3 products. So thank you very much. Have a very restful sleep and a happy holiday.